Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do Vlookup with Match function. In my previous video I talked about its basics, and now I'm going to show you some advanced function with Match function. So imagine there are thousands of rows and thousands of columns and you have to do Vlookup. Normally when you do Vlookup, you select the lookup value and then select the table array. Then you have to put the column number manually, right? And let's say there are couples or maybe more than 100 columns or headings. You have to drag to the right, and then you have to put, oops, something wrong. And knock this up. Okay. Yeah. You have to drag to the right, and then you have to change the column number manually. That will take a lot of time. If you go each one of these cells, I keep changing the column number. Instead of doing that, we can use match function. And what match function does is it looks for a specified item from a table or a range of cells and return the position of that value. For example, let's say you want to know the position of Finland from this table. So this type is equal to match tab, then it is asking lookup value, which is this one, and then you have to select the range of cells where the data is. Let's select this one, for case, and then same as Vlookup, it asking what do you want, exact match or approximate match. In this case I'm going to select exact match because I want the exact value. Now it says 1, which means it's in first position, right? So we can put that in Vlookup. Okay, so let's start that, right? So Vlookup, lookup value, this one, select for case, don't forget to lock this up, then table array, drag it to the where the data ends, then lock this well as well for case. And then now you have to put match function for column index number. So just type match and tab, and lookup value. This will be the lookup value in this case, right? So we want to know where the score is. We want to know the position of the score, so we will select this one and we'll press F for case, and in this case we will only lock the row, not the column. That means the $sign will come before 1, not M, right? Comma, then lookup array. This will be the lookup array, the heading, and lock this one also, comma, and then it is asking what kind of match you want. So in this case I will select 0 exact match, then bracket close, right? Again, then you have to type comma, and then the last step is false. Yeah. There you go. Now you don't have to type manually, you can just simply drag to the right and it will show the exact value, right? This is how it works, match. Or you can change, let's say that you have 2 columns and you want to do Vlookup within 2 columns, then you can just say it's pretty simple. It's not that hard. instead of putting the normal VLOOKUP and changing the column number manually, you can use match function if the data is very big. Right. Thank you for watching.